You guys do it.
I only picked some.
I know, let me see.
No, I thought I picked these ones.
Those ones are big, huh? Okay, let's see which ones we got so far. Oh, those ones look good. Oh, hey, you did pick one garlic, huh? Look, that's a cute little garlic.
How did a garlic in here?
Rivers picked a garlic on accident. It's okay. Nice. Pull
from the bottom.
Oops, that's okay. Pull from the bottom. You could get it and put it back on. All the way. Can you get it?
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Okay, now that we harvest all the onions, I have them laying out here underneath this oak tree. So it's getting filtered light. And I'm going to leave them to hang out here for the rest of the day. And then tonight I will bundle them and hang them to cure from this tree. Okay, I'm back out here at night after letting them sit all day. And I'm going to show you how I'm hanging them. So I'm just taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bunching them together. I have twine, kid scissors. I'm putting a simple knot with a long straight line, and then I'm going to go hang it under this tree. Okay, so now you can see that I'm hanging them with another simple knot at the top, and they're probably 4 feet off the ground. I just harvested 30 of them in this batch, and I harvested 30 of them a couple days ago. Those other ones that I harvested first are hanging under my carport in the front yard, so I'm going to show you guys that. Also, before I show you the ones in the front yard, I want to show you guys something when you're drying them. So this long, okay, so you can see all the, I don't know what these are really called, stems, branches, I don't know, but you can eat them as green onions. You see those are like thin and pliable. This is like one long main thick branch, and you could see that's because it was starting to flower or about to flower. So the ones that are like that you want to use first, because I guess, well, this is all from just me reading about it, haven't done it yet, but those ones won't cure as well. And the reason I'm even drying these or hanging them to dry is because they'll store like a lot longer, for like months. And you can eat your onions fresh out of the ground when you pick them or harvest them, or if you can't eat all of this, you know, obviously at once, then you can dry them. So supposedly you're supposed to be hanging them to dry like that for like 3 weeks, and then you'll see that like hard or like papery shell on the outside, like how when you buy onions at the store, that's what it's going to look like. And you can cut the tops off or leave them. I'm just leaving them and cut them off later when they're dry. Okay, so you can read how you're supposed to harvest onions when the greens are tilted over or they're all the way brown or mostly brown, and you can see these are mostly green. That is simply because I wanted to create space in my garden. You can see over there. Disregard that styrofoam. My kids were acting like that was a boat today, so that's why it's out there. But I want to put my summer stuff in, so that's why I harvested these before they're brown. But if you have the room and you want to keep them in the ground, you can just eat them as you go, and they'll pretty much stay fresh in ground until the tops are all brown. Okay, here's the front yard. It's obviously dark now because it took me longer to hang those other ones, but this is the carport in the front yard where I have the other onions hanging. Let me see from this side. Oh yeah, that's better. So this is the carport where the other onions are hanging, and we're gonna have an experiment and see which ones do better, under the carport or under the oak tree.